It's somebody's birthday, so you know what that means. An unboxing, yay! An unboxing, yay! Hey guys, Chi-Chi here and welcome back to my channel, Chi.Chi.Luxe. Today is a very special video because I will be finally unboxing my birthday gift to me, from Fashionphile. So if you want to see what I got, you already know. Watching. Before I get started, I hope you guys are subscribed to my channel. If not, hit the red button, and you might as well hit the bell button too, because how else are you gonna know when I upload? So make sure you hit both, okay? Alright, so my birthday was June 29th, and I already know, girl, it's August. Trust me, I'm gonna get to that and the reason why I have it now. But my birthday was June 29th, and I saw something on Fashionphile and I had to get it because of course, there was a whole story around it, but let's get into this unboxing first. So here it is. Of course, I covered up my information. Here it is, my Fashionphile box. Of course, you get the nail file, the proof of purchase, the thank you card, the foo-foo-la. Oh, okay. Here you have it, the package. Oh my. Before I open it, I actually was supposed to get this for Christmas, but the story I have to tell. Alright, so it only came with the Gucci dust bag. You're not even going to know what I got. Like y'all ain't even ready. So I ended up getting this is the Gucci medium padlock bag. Oh, this is the shoulder bag. Ooh, oh my god. You already know, give me a minute. Just a couple of scratches up here, but that's okay. Oh, it's mine. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. This is way more than what I wanted. Oh, my head hurts. Oh, snap. Oh my gosh. Oh, let me give her some camera time. Oh, look at her. Oh. She has the back pocket. I cannot. All right, so let's get into this story, right? Of course, it was my birthday, and I already knew there was another bag that I wanted. I keep a little wish list on my computer, like Excel, like real official type thing, right? So this bag I originally wanted in December, right? So I was like, okay, whatever. So I'm updating my list for something else completely, and I go onto the Gucci website, and this bag does not exist anymore. So I have a freaking heart attack, and I'm like, oh no. So I'm searching. I went to the European, the UK website. I freaked out. So I ended up finally getting it on a website. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I put it back into the US site, and it says, you know, it's not available. Check your local store. And they had this at the Short Hills Mall. So I'm like, all right, cool. I'ma just go to Short Hills and get this bag and be done. Happy birthday to me, right? So I started to do that, and I was like, you know what? Let me just check to see if Fashionphile has this on the website. And they did. So I was like, oh shit. Now what I do? Like, do I go to Short Hills Mall and purchase it, pay taxes, get the box and the ribbon and the bag? Or do I go Fashionphile, save a couple of $100s through tax and whatever it costs? Yeah, I went Fashionphile. I went Fashionphile route. I'm happy I did. Gucci like literally gave me a heart attack because if you look up medium padlock shoulder bag, it's a completely different bag now. And that's what caused this whole thing. This has been out for a few years, so I already knew that, you know, it is getting towards that discontinued area, but oh wow, it's gorgeous. It does have a few, you know, scratches up here, but I don't even mind it, nor do I care. This bag is literally gorgeous. Like, I wanted something that was very much so Gucci, but very classic. And when I saw like the cognac sides to this bag with the black and then the canvas with the interlocking GGs, this spoke to my soul. Like it really does. And like I didn't even check to see the keys are on. Yep, here's my keys, my 2 keys. You know what? I need to check and make sure this damn thing locks, because if you follow Will McCason, he has a set of keys that don't go to his Louis. Was it the briefcase? I think it was the briefcase. So I need to make sure that my keys work. But oh my gosh, it's just one big old pit. Oh, it has card slots. Stop. Gucci, you're looking out for a girl. Thank God I'm only wearing gloss. You have a zippered compartment. Oh, I smell that leather. I smell the leather. Oh my gosh. I'm beyond happy with this. Like, the back pocket is probably, I might stretch this out. Oh, please tell me this is a ticket. Please tell me, oh, please tell me this is a ticket. Oh, I just found a ticket. Yes, this is purchased at Neiman Marcus. I don't even think Fashionphile knew there was a tag in here. Oh, what else you got in here? Another tag. What else? Do I get money in here? Oh, you can't tell me nothing. Oh. Oh. I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh, yes. Oh. Really quickly, the reason why I waited so long to purchase this is because I purchased it using their layaway program, and I'm going to make a video about my layaway experience because literally no one else talks about it. Like, it's mentioned in videos. I haven't seen a video that people talk about it, so I'll do it for you because I was in no rush to actually get my bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. But yeah, here is my new baby. She's adopted. She has, of course, her other siblings to, yeah. I'm so happy I purchased this. I'll leave all of the details in the description box, the product code, all of that good stuff in the description box. Oh my God, I don't even know how to film right now. But yeah, thank you guys for joining us, and I hope to catch you soon. Bye.